in town, Rochester. It's an industrial place. They have a big HVAC system that got plugged up last year with the thistle seeds and willow seeds, dogwood, and but the main target was thistles, Canadian thistles. They were spending a lot of money in new filters for their HVAC systems. The land was too rough and wet to get machinery in to take care of it, so we got our goats out here. The thing about this site is there's no woods. Usually I'm bringing my goats out to clear buckthorn and clear out woods. This place is all prairie. So there's a lot of good food for the goats. We'll just keep rotating them around all summer long, probably a group of 30-40 goats. But there is no shelter. There's no woods for them to escape the rain. So what we got in the back of the truck here are a couple of calf huts. And each calf hut can fit probably 20 goats easily. And we'll just move these calf huts around as we move the goats to different paddocks. So we'll see how it goes. We got 2 calf huts we stacked here. Put them in the truck sideways, they fit. Strapped them in. These are light enough we can pull them around to different areas. So we'll unload them, get them out here, get to work. So here we're just coming to check the fence, bring them a little hay to supplement them. We'll check the fence, try to check it every day, make sure it's shocking good. You'll see here we add posts, especially around corners. The key to keeping the goats safe is keeping the fence really tight and shocking really well. So we don't want any sags in the fence. Usually where there's sagging fence, deer or the goats will try to jump over it and that'll knock the fence down, then they can all get out. So if you keep the top line really tight along the length of the fence, they're not going to try to challenge it usually. And to keep that top line tight, you've got to stretch the fence as you put it up. And then afterwards, you got to add posts like this wherever it's sagging. It takes a little bit of extra time, but it's better than chasing goats or having coyotes or dogs get in with your goats, because they'll jump a sagging fence all day long.